lovely souls out there, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Indu. So on today's video I'm gonna be sharing with you all few very simple and easy to achieve hairstyles. So one more thing, I'm not that good with hairstyles, so if I can do these hairstyles, you can definitely rock them too. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. I'll start off by applying a tiny amount of this Pantene Open Hair Miracle Oil Replacement. My hair is silky straight naturally, which sounds good but is pretty unmanageable. I'll just apply it to the ends and move upwards with whatever's left in my fingers. And once I'm done with that, I'll just comb my hair. I'll be using a wooden comb. I try to avoid plastic combs. They damage your hair and causes breakage. I'll just move upwards and gently comb my hair. And once I'm done, let's start with the first hairstyle. What I'll do is take the start of my eyebrow as a guidance and create a partition on my left with the help of my finger, and then take a chunk of hair of left side and start twisting it away from my face. Once I'm done with twisting, I'll just pinch and pull some hair and make it look fluffier and secure it in the back. And take a chunk of hair from the back and secure it under that hair. I just wanted to hide that strand of hair, so I'll just do that. I'll just take some more hair from the front and start twisting it and basically repeat the same step. I'll also leave some baby hairs to frame my face. And once I'm happy with how it looks, I'm done. Let's move on to the second one. I love doing this hairstyle. It's very easy and looks classy. I'll simply make a middle partition and gather my hair and make a ponytail. Don't make the ponytail too low, otherwise it looks very saggy. Align it where your ears begin. And then what I'll do is just take a spoolie and brush away all the bumps that I have in the front. Fun fact, it's an old mascara wand, so yeah, you can take whatever you have. And now what I'll do is kind of pinch and pull the hairs on my crown area. And also pull some strands to frame my face, and guess what, I'm done. Wasn't it that easy and effortless to achieve? Let's start with the third one. I'll again take my eyebrows as my guide, but this time I'll take my arch and make a partition on the left side. Then take a section of hair in the right side. I'm just gonna pin away rest of the hair. Now what I'll do is make a Dutch braid. If you don't know how to do that, simply divide into 3 sections and bring the right section underneath the middle one and then the left section underneath the middle one again, and then just repeat till the end. Make sure to tie that a little bit tight than usual. Then before I secure that end, what I'll do is I'll pull out either sides of the braid, which gives a big volume effect and looks more flattering. See, just like so. I'll just simply pinch the sides and pull out the strands a little bit. Make sure to hold the end tightly, otherwise it can undo the braid. Then I'll just place it flat wherever I want it and then just secure it with a bobby pin. If you want, you can also use some fancy clips to hide those bobby pins, but I'm actually fine with it. So yeah, there you have it. Moving on to the fourth one, what I'll do is make a middle partition and then take a chunk of hair from right side, also leaving some face framing strands, and then I'll just twist it outwards away from my face, just like the first hairstyle. Then pinch and pull out some pieces to make it look fluffier. Then I'll just take a clip and secure it in the back, and then again just repeat the same step on my left side and also secure it in the back, joining it with the right strand. Doing that, it will look like a crown, more specifically as the name suggests, twisted crown. If you want, you can also use some clips like these and hide the clips, and you are done. The last one is actually a continuation of the fourth hairstyle. What I'll do is just take all my hair and make it into a ponytail, but when I'm doing the last twist, as you can see, I'll just hold it with my thumb and my index finger and just twist it with the rubber band and secure it. And also just pulling up some pieces to make it look little bit bigger. If you want, you can also use some bobby pins to completely secure it, but I'm completely fine with it. And then I'll just pull out some pieces in the front and then I'm done. If you want, you can secure those loose strands to make it look formal, or just leave it like that to keep it messy. That's completely up to you. You can customize it according to your liking. That's all for today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I love you.